Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would appreciate it so much if you would subscribe below. Today we're going to be doing what's inside my BoxyCharm for this month. I have already opened this because I'm super impatient, but I wanted to share it with you because I wasn't able to share last month's with you, and I believe last month was probably my favorite month that I've received lately. I'm actually wearing some of the products now that I got in it, and I really did like it. So let's go ahead and get into this month's box. On top, they always include a card that has information of what's inside. Sorry, my air conditioner just kicked on, so if you hear that, I'm super sorry. And it looked like the theme this month was called road tripping. I got really excited because I thought this was a lipstick and I would have really loved this color. This is actually a volume and curl mascara from Wander Beauty, and I do not see myself. I may use this. I may keep this, but this is probably one of the only things I plan on keeping from the box because you can never have too much mascara. I think the packaging of this is really funky, but I may be able to get more out of it because it's squishy. So this is okay. I'm excited about this and I probably will keep it. The next thing we have in here is from Cella, and this is a tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream. I think you have to push that up, but I'm not going to because I'm not going to keep this. So I probably won't be using this. I'll probably pass this along in a giveaway or to one of my friends, but I'm not very excited about this. The next thing in here is a blush, and this is by the brand Note. This is in the shade 5 Desert Rose. I think the shade is pretty. I just don't use blushes that much, so I'm going to also be passing this along to somebody because, like I said, I'm not a huge blush person, and I don't see myself using this very frequently, if at all. The next thing I see in here is from a brand that I do know, and I have used their products before. This is by Dr. Brandt, and it's called the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And I do think that I will keep this around. I do think that I will use this. I don't know how great it is. I haven't ever seen any reviews, but I will give this a try and keep this just to see what I think of it. And the last thing that they included in this box this month is a palette from Crown Brush. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I think the palette's really pretty. I have palettes like it, and I don't see myself reaching for it very often. These are colors that are totally up my alley, but like I said, I do have palettes that already have these colors in it, and there's no point in me having multiple palettes that have the same colors in it, so I'm going to end up passing this along as well. So that was it for my BoxyCharm this month, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Like I said, I'm pretty disappointed with the products this month, but I will stay subscribed. We're supposed to be getting a Laura Lee Los Angeles product in our next month's box, so I'm excited to see what that is because I hope that it is the palette because I kind of want to try that. So if you guys are subscribed to BoxyCharm and have done an unboxing, leave it below so that I can check it out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!